Hey there, I'm Yogesh, and in this video, I'm going to explore the big question: is Kwestify the answer to your keyword struggles? I've heard about this tool a while ago and decided to investigate further. I've spent months using Kwestify, testing its features, and understanding how to use each features to build affiliate websites. So far, I've created 4 different affiliate websites, and results have been truly impressive. In-depth review, I will explore every corner of Kwestify, how it works, its effectiveness, and whether it's a game changer you need for your online content. If you're thinking about Kwestify or just curious, this is the video for you. Let's dive in and explore together. Hey, welcome. Which niche I want to target on. Now, if I have a niche, that's great. If you don't, this is one of the best way to find a niche. If this is the roadblock to your getting your website up and running, click on niche sticker, and then you type in the campaign. This one, I'll type in YouTube test, and then you keep in what type of what type you want it, right? You're looking for generate a random niche list, generate a list of little known niches, find sub niche ideas, and find sub niche products. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on, and this is there's a limit of 200 and you can go all the way down. So we'll select 50 for the test purpose. And it also tells you how much credits you can run it. This one will cost me 15 credits. So 10 keywords equal to 3 credits. Let's go into the random niche list and see what we get. So this is it's on the queue and it's going to create it. Meantime, let's go back and generate another one. And we put generate a list of little known niches, and and see exactly what we get. These are all random niche lists that was created. Now you can see in there organic gardening, vintage fashion, eco-friendly travel, home brewing, 3D printing, pet nutrition, virtual reality. So each of them, it's pretty good, and you can actually go further in detail, find out the trends on it. So we click on the trend, it will tell you over time how much it is, what the trend is. Pretty good. You can see it's consistent. So we go back, and then you can also go to YouTube and see all the different videos on it. On Amazon, you can go in there if you're into the Amazon, and you can see all the different products that can be affiliate to and sell it. You can also click on the Google and tells you exactly, it gives you an idea of what blogging it is and what sort of for this niche, if this is what you wanted to go ahead and do it. So what I do is, you can also select a couple of them, and then you can just start a campaign, click it to AI Wiseman, which is another tool that you can use it for writing a blog. Now I did the video on it, how combining Kwestify and AI Wiseman to build beautiful websites. I'll put a link in the description. It's one of the video. You can go and check it out in the video. All of these are different ideas, gives you different ideas of what it is. Now let's go back and let's go to little known niches. Here you have the one that not that many people are aware of this, but there is a little bit of volume, and it can help you if this competition is low, because it's unknown niches, right? Vintage typewriter, ethical hacking for small businesses. I didn't know that, but you can just click on the trend, and I know there won't be that much volume on it. Well, there is volume on it, but now there isn't that much. And then you can go down and vintage camera repair, see if there is a trending list for that. So there is, right now it's trending back up. So this is the health and wellness, and then you can just go and go into a sub niche over it. So it has the keto diet, yoga for beginners, meditation and mindfulness, vegan nutrition, sleep hygiene, cycling for fitness. So you can see have roughly about 50 of them. You can see, and you can pick one of them and see how it is, or you can choose a couple of them, make a copy, and then go to the next one in the search of actually finding out what it is. Now the other thing that it gives you an idea of the campaign is the last one, which is campaign health and wellness. and see what question, what keyword is the same. So I just click mark this, remove duplicates, must include keywords. I leave it as it is. You can get the maximum results if you want the. You can also, this is another one that that I really like, is keep checking for new items. Any new FAQs, right? You know, questions that people are looking for answers to it. You can click on this and it will just ask you how much it is, and then here you can go level, and it costs two credits every day. Just be aware of your credits because your account is based on your credit, right? We click on create. This one is going on. Let's go back, and then you have all the other ones that you can have. Relate search, people also search, keyword discovery, and a keyword cluster for if you want to make an authoritative blog post website, so that you can have the keyword cluster for it. Now I've done some of the search on these ones. Let's go back to which I already created it before. I did the one for the system IO, the keyword discovery. So these are all the different keywords that it has that it discovered that was not part of my original when I was doing it. When I originally did the research on it, right? So this one is done. Okay, let's go back into this one. Yogas for beginners, people also ask. So this is all the questions that people have it. So what yoga should a beginner starts with? How do I start yoga for the first time? So now these are all the questions that that people are asking for on Google and all that, right? And you can actually write an article on it, and it's much easier for you to rank higher than looking for some keywords where the ranking is much harder, right? What I usually do is I copy all the keyword, click on the AI Wise Mind, and then starts building an article on this. Again, if you want to know, I did the video on it. A link will be in the description. Go ahead, click the link and watch the video. And at the same time, you can subscribe and to the channel if you still haven't, and also make sure you like the video if you're liking so far what I've learned to you so far about the Kwestify, right? These are all the ones that, like, look at it. Is 20 minutes of yoga per day enough? These are actually questions that people are asking for it. You can also do a search on, you can get a Google trend, same thing as other ones. Go back to the what keywords are you targeting for? First, next thing you do is the tools. This is another feature of mine where it tells you if you've done all of this, and there are bound to be some duplicates on it, so you can actually remove the duplicates. The other one that I really like is domain name finder. Limit, let's do 50. Enter campaign. We're going to do the same campaign, yoga main niches, health, and let's see when we create a domain name finder what we get out of it. Go back into a domain finder and see what sort of domain it has picked up, right? So here is this. So wellnesspeak.com, greenhealthhub.com, right? Nourish and nature, holisticheal.com, and then you can just click on the Namecheap, one of my preferred website to find a name. It's not available. Let's go back and keep looking, right? You can keep looking it, and it gives you, this is what I really like, it gives you a domain name, so you don't have to spend hours. I know some people spend hours and hours of trying to find perfect name. It has close to 50 domain names that you can pick and see which one it is. Next thing, we come to local research. People who are targeting local area rather than going for the World Wide Web or specific country or something. It one has you can search the cities, search the service industry, like for example plumbing, right? The heating and cooling. For all that, get the list of service provided by a specific industry. So you put again, it's the same thing, right? So let's go back and you can do the search cities. So with the zip code, you can go to USA, and then there are other countries too. You can go in there, and go on to get the research for that. It's pretty good. The other thing that I really liked about the local research is things to do in the Pacific area, where you can actually be affiliate to certain products, especially if you're targeting a beach area, for example. What to do, what the things to do in a Pacific city. Whereas going for a musical show, you can be affiliate for that and make a money on that. The last thing I'm going to go over is a title generator. It has all different titles that you can actually ask the AI to give you a title generator. Now I've done some of them. Here's one, ask AI. So I'm building this website, treehouse, custom treehouse design, and this is what the keywords, and ask them to generate a title for the blog post. So how do I begin designing a treehouse? What safety conditions should I keep in mind when designing a treehouse? So these are all the questions you can use as a title generator for the blog, and it's pretty good. How high should a treehouse be built? Kwestify to me is one of the better tools out there. It's not that expensive. You can check out all different plans that has it, but concerning the features that you get in there, I will highly suggest for you to invest in this. And if you like, you can use my affiliate link, which will be in the description. Click on that. And on top of that, when I first started, there wasn't any features on domain name finder and didn't have anything about the title generator, right? They're constantly updating the platform and all. This is in general my in-depth review on Kwestify. Highly recommend. If you're not, just test it out. I highly recommend it. You will actually like it. See you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.